Oh, the youth is just slipping away. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day. Sorry about the lighting, it's a little bit dark in here. It is nighttime and yet people are still mowing 24/7. Mowing. Nonetheless, I am still excited to film today's video because we have the winter the winter FabFitFun box right here in front of me. I'm so excited to get on into this. Today's video is sponsored by FabFitFun. I've been working with them for a while and I absolutely love them, so thank you guys so very much for your continued support of the channel. Those of you who don't know, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription that comes with full-size beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and fitness items. They are available in the US, Canada, and the UK, and you can customize many of your items, so I'm going to show you guys what I got in my box today. The items inside these boxes retail for over $200, but if you use my code AR10, you can get your very first box for $39.99. And a lot of the times there's like a single item in the box, which is like more than like your whole entire box that you paid for. Don't swing around knives, it's dangerous. Do as I say, not as I do. Actually, don't do as I say either. Well, on just certain occasions. The orangeness is getting out of hand. Like this is like next level orangeness. I don't know what to do. My camera, it's like it's never seen a blue jean jacket before. It's just a blue jean jacket. You can relax. Just hold this the whole time so it can balance out the blue jean jacket. Should I just set this back on the shelf? Will this work? Do y'all mind having like a slightly dirty Real Techniques beauty blender behind me this whole time? Is that actually working? Anyway, I am very excited for the winter box. The winter box and the fall boxes are always my favorite. They're just like full of like warm, cozy things typically, so I'm really excited to see what's in here. Ooh, things are looking pretty warm and cozy already. But let's go ahead for a couple of these smaller items first. So the first thing we have here is in some bubble wrap. Alrighty, the first thing we have is from Laura Geller. This is the Cinnamon and Spice eyeshadow palette. I was trying to read the beautiful, lovely language below it, but I could not because I can't speak anything, including basic English. So this is the eyeshadow palette. It has a pretty little outer packaging to it. It looks like there will be several pans inside of here. Okay, so we have some kind of like elongated pans here, and then the names are on the back. It is a very warm tone palette, which I mean, it's not surprising that I prefer since I'm orange and I have like basically pumpkins on my eyes right now. Looks like we have 2 rows of shimmery shades and then 1 row of mattes down here. They're kind of like muted, a little bit like on the pastel-y side. I don't have many warm toned eyeshadows that are like kind of lighter like this, so that's nice. You're not doing your job, little growth sponge. Okay, so the next thing we have in here is from Below the Belt. It looks like a little like card organizer. This is kind of cute. It's like faux like python or something. It's nice and red. It could be good for the holiday season, you know, good old jolly red. It has several little pockets here. There's like a zipper part and then a little opening up the top and then a couple slots for like cards and things. I just got a new purse, which is very small and hard to fit things into, so this might be nice to be able to like, you know, put some cash in there, some cards, you can just pop it in real nice. Red wouldn't necessarily be my go-to color if I was picking it out, but again, for the holiday season, I think it's kind of cute. The next thing in here is from Daily Concepts. This is a daily facial dry brush. And I actually really like dry brushing. I dry brush my whole body when I can remember to do it. I have like a little stand thingy next to my shower that my dry brush sits on top so I can like physically see it, because if I don't physically see it, it doesn't exist. Which you guys always ask me like, how can you not unbox these boxes immediately when you get it? It's because I set them in like a closet or something and then my mind just, they don't exist anymore. They're gone. They vanished. Until one day when I open the closet and I see that I have like 47 boxes I haven't unboxed yet. But anyway, dry brushing is super great for like blood circulation and like firming skin and stuff. At least it's what I'm trying to use it for. So like I have a big one that'll brush like all the way up and down me, and then I have tried to use it on my neck, but it's a little bit rough, so maybe I could use this instead. Oh, it's just a cute little baby. Okay. Oh, it's very, very soft. Okay. Yeah, the dry brush that I'm currently using, which I definitely probably shouldn't be putting on my neck or anywhere near my face, feels like something that you would scrub a good pot with. Like a real dirty pot. It's not soft whatsoever, but this is very, very soft. It feels like it would be super gentle for some good neck scrubbing. That actually feels really nice. There's all sorts of like health stuff that dry brushing is supposed to help with, but it just feels really good. It feels like a nice scratch. Okay, so the next thing we have in here is from Aesthetica. I don't know why I say it like that. Aesthetica. This is the liquid eyeliner in the shade Black. I am actually out of liquid eyeliner. Believe it or not, I said forever, I gotta stop getting liquid eyeliners in boxes. And then I did. And then I ran out of liquid liner. I've tried some stuff from Aesthetica before, but never a liquid liner. It just comes in a little guy like this. I'm guessing it's gonna have like maybe like a brush or sponge tip applicator to it. Smells like eyeliner. Yeah, so I definitely think it is a sponge tip. It's a little bit hard, but it is like super, super pointed, so you could get a really fine line if you wanted to, or like, you know, go real thick with it. Oh wow, I didn't realize how much lipstick I had on the sleeve of my jacket till just now. That's good. I got lipstick on my pants. Now I got lipstick on my sleeve because I'm a mess. That's the only explanation I have for that. Just an absolute mess. Ooh, okay, I'm excited about this. The next thing that I have in here is from Impressions Vanity Company. This is the Touch Highlight LED makeup mirror. I'm very excited about this. As you guys can see, this is my current makeup mirror. It's real gross. And also it used to like plug in and have like a light. That's what this extra ring is for. But as you can see, it no longer does. So this is a fantastic time for me to get this mirror. Oh my gosh, it includes the batteries. That's awesome. Nothing ever includes the batteries. You'll get something, you're real excited about it, you dig into it, and then you try to turn it on and then there's no batteries. I bought like a light up pumpkin for the outside of my house for like the 5 trick-or-treaters that came to my house. And I was really excited about it until I learned that I had to buy 2 C batteries for it, which the C batteries alone were like almost the same price as the light up pumpkin. Pop these puppies in and see what it looks like. It also kind of reminds me of my cousin John when he was little. I've been told the story. Apparently he got like all these new like fun toys that all were battery operated for Christmas, but he didn't get a single battery, so he couldn't play with any of his new toys. So when somebody asked him what he wanted from Santa the next year, he said batteries. All right, so that was super, oh no, not the mess. That was super easy to pop together, and I'm guessing this is the on button. So we just, oh, look at that. Just press it and it pops on. Oh, that's fun. I also like how big it is. Like you can see your like whole head in it, which is kind of cool. My other mirror is like a little bit smaller and you kind of have to move it around to see yourself. So yeah, this is really nice. I'm very excited to have this. I'm saving what I'm most excited about for last because there's some cozy looking stuff in here that I'm like really pumped for. All right, next up in here, we have a little set of 4 cutting boards. And I didn't realize how much I was going to use cutting boards until I moved into like my own kitchen. I use cutting boards literally every single day, and these little tiny thin ones are just gonna make it super easy to like use. I have like a big wooden cutting board that my cousin built for me, which is so sweet of him. A different cousin than the battery cousin. Got lots of cousins. But I don't like to chop like certain things on it, like onions, because I don't want the smell to like seep in through, or like meats or anything like that. So I can place these on top of that. And yeah, this would be really nice and handy. All right, now we're moving into the 2 things I'm most excited about because I am a sucker for cozy. I love it. I want to be warm and cozy and comfy constantly. That's why I'm wearing sweats with my Canadian tuxedo top. I want y'all to take a gander at these things. Isn't that just like the coziest looking thing you've ever seen? They're just massive sock boots. These look fantastic. Oh my gosh, and they're lined inside with that kind of like Sherpa-y stuff. They got little fuzz balls on them. I think these are adorable. Oh, I like that too. It says that Muklux is a 4th generation family owned business. I think that's super, super sweet. So these are adorable. I love like the cable knit design of them. I love the gray. I think these are gonna be so cozy for winter. I'm very excited. And then last, is that a mosquito? How are you alive? That is a mosquito. It's a big one too. Last, but certainly not least in here is something I already know that I'm gonna love because I've received one of these in FabFitFun before. It is a blanket from Unhide, and I love these things. These blankets are made out of faux fur. They're so soft and cozy. They also support the Humane Society of the United States. I think that's fantastic. I already have one that's more of like a creamy color, and this one's kind of like a gray white, which I really like. Just try not to cut into it. That would be very sad. On here it has the little Unhide logo, and you guys can tell how just like soft and fluffy that is. It's also a very good size blanket, like perfect for a sofa, curling up on, getting all nice and toasty. I don't know, I just think they're very nice and very soft, and I'm excited to have another one. Alright you guys, that was everything that came in my FabFitFun box. There will typically be like a magazine inside of your box. I'll tell you all about the products and the prices. Mine didn't have that included in it because I don't think they're printed just yet, but I do have a like digital copy of it, so I can tell you guys the full size prices of all these items. Alright, so the Unhide Little Marshmallow, which I think is an adorable name, blanket is $65. The Impressions Vanity mirror is $45. The very comfy cozy cabin socks are $25. This little card organizer here is $35. The daily facial brush is $20. The Aesthetica eyeliner is $21. Is that the cutting boards? I didn't see the cutting boards on here. And then the set of 4 cutting boards is $19.95. So all together, okay. I think the battle of the weed whackers is just raging outside right now. It's literally dark. You shouldn't weed whack at night. I feel like that's very dangerous. Someone's gonna lose a finger. Okay, so the total retail value of my box, if my math is correct, it could very well not be, is $230.95. I've had some boxes like over $300 worth of value, like close to $400. You can kind of get like a range of values for your box, but as long as you're enjoying the stuff inside of it, everything will always be over $200 value, so that's really good. I am super pumped for the blanket and the little shoe things, and for some the cutting boards. It's interesting once you get to a certain age, aka like almost 30, the things you get excited about. One of my favorite things to do now is bleach my sink. It's white, so sometimes it gets like stains on it from food and things, and then you put bleach into it and it's like totally white again, and it like brings me so much joy. Oh, the youth is just slipping away. So that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you all so very much for watching. And again, I thank you so very much to FabFitFun for sponsoring this video. You guys have been an amazing support for the channel. Please go ahead and consider subscribing if you would not mind. It would mean the absolute world to me. We're getting super close to 400,000 and I'd love to hit it by the end of the year. That would make me so very happy. And I just hope you guys have a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!